Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Lever. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Lever has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was my last video by the way. And after the breakout from this wedge, we had a very massive rally, and recently on a daily time frame chart, I was showing you that it formed this descending triangle. And now recently you can see that we have broken down the support of this triangle. And here we had a downtrend line resistance, and this was the horizontal support of this triangle. You can see that the price and got bounced from the support several times. And here we had a fake out, and the price and re-entered this triangle, but got rejected by this resistance of the triangle and this resistance of a very big and huge up channel as well. And after the rejection, the price line has broken down the support. By the way, the target for this breakdown that I was telling you, that if the price line breaks down this triangle, can be here. That was here, approximately at $0.0026, and you can see that the price line has dropped more than that. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has happened on this 7 days time frame chart from this big falling wedge pattern and from this down channel as well. By the way, I have been showing you this channel and this falling wedge pattern both even before the breakout when it was moving inside this channel. I've been telling you that once the price line will be able to break out this channel, then we can expect the target here at the top of the channel approximately at half cents, and you can see that the price line after hitting that target moved down and formed another falling wedge pattern, and this was by the way almost 488% pump. And now recently we have not recently, in the month of August 2023, we broke out this wedge, and I was telling you that after breaking out this wedge we can expect another very massive rally. And you can see that so far from this low when we were testing the support of the wedge up till this high, it has rallied more than 362%. By the way, during this rally, we formed this up channel, and we have also broken down the support of the channel. And now the price line is about to hit this long-term, very massive support of Ichimoku bearish cloud that was previously working at a resistance, and now it can work at a very strong support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Lever that I shared a few days ago on 20th of May 2024 with my members. And this move produced almost 27% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe button for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Lever that I shared on 20th of May 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Lever formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 27% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Lever. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that recently we have broken down the support of this descending triangle. But after that, you can see that even before that, before breaking out this triangle, we also broke out this very long-term uptrend line support of this up channel as well. And when the price line was retesting the previous support of the channel as a resistance, the price line got rejected and also got rejected by this resistance, the downtrend line resistance of this descending triangle as well. And we have broken down the support. The target for the breakdown from this triangle was here, approximately at 2.6 cents, and you can see that the price line has moved down beyond that target, and now there is a probability that the price line soon may test its long-term support of $0.00205. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support of $0.00205 had been breaking as a support here, and before that it has been breaking as a resistance here, and for a few weeks it has been breaking as a support here as well. Therefore, again, it can break as a strong support for the price line. By the way, before that, we will also have this support of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well that was previously breaking as a resistance, and now it can break as a strong support. In case of breaking down these support levels, this support of $0.00205 and this Ichimoku bearish cloud support, then it can hit the target for this uptrend line, this breakdown from this channel, and that target can be here at the bottom of the channel. That will be approximately at $0.0012. Now here on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very long-term down channel and a falling wedge pattern as well. And after that, we had a very massive rally, but so far the price line could not hit the target for this breakout from this wedge. And sooner or later, the price line can hit that target, and that technical target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $0.0054. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.